dy over dx is equals to square root of 4 minus y squared over xy. So the first thing we will do is to find or write the given. So the given is the equation. So let's write it. So the equation is dy over dx is equals of square root of square root of 4 minus y squared over xy. And then the question asked is to find the general solution. So the question asks, find the general solution. So let's go to our solution. So first thing we need to do, guys, is to separate the x and y's. So first, separate the y and the x. So in the right side, the x and the y's is in the left. So let's write the equation. dy over dx equals to square root of 4 minus y squared over xy. Since our x is in the right, we will multiply both sides by dx. So we can cross out the left side dx. So the answer would be dy is equals to square root of 4 minus y squared over xy dx. Then we will multiply also the y, and so that we can transfer the y to the left. So let's go. Let's multiply both sides by y. So y dy is equals to square root of 4 minus y squared over x dx. And then next, we will be multiplying both sides. Divide both sides by square root of 4y squared so that we can cross this 4y squared in the right. 4 minus y squared divided by negative square root of 4 minus y squared. So we can cross it. So we now separate the y's and the x's. So x dy, y dy over square root of 4 minus y squared. And 1 over x dx. Yay! So now na-separate na natin yung mga x and the y's. So second, we integrate it. To integrate. Malaki na naka-sulat ko. Integrate. So, integration of y dy over square root of 4 minus y squared is equal to the integral of 1x dx. So we can observe na in the right side, integrating it will be easy, and then in the left side, it will be very hard. So let's use the substitution. So let q is equals to 4 minus y squared, and then we will solve the derivative of u. So negative 2. So, ito muna. Hindi natin mag-shortcut. So, for the differentiation of 4 would be 0. Then, we will transfer the 2, then y, then dy. So the differentiation of u is negative 2y dy. So we also find the y dy. So let's solve the du, 2y dy. Let's divide it both sides by negatives 2 so that we have y dy. So y dy is equals to negative 1/2 du. And then third, we substitute the values to our main equation. Substitute. So our y dy is equals to negative 1/2 over negative 1/2 du. And then our square root of 4 minus y squared will be square root of u, since our u is 4 minus y squared. Equals to the integral of 1 over x dx. Now, we will be integrating. Since here, the negative 1/2 is constant, so we will put it in the, or we will move it forward. That would be easy for us to integrate. Negative 1/2 integral of, and this, the square root of u will be transformed into a power rule. So u negative 1/2 du. Para simple lang. Para hindi tayo hard to solve. Okay. So, negative 1/2. So, gamitin natin yung power rule na formula sa indifferentiation. So, this would be u negative 1/2 plus 1. Yes. Over negative 1/2 plus 1. And this would be, di ba sa past lessons natin, hindi dapat, even though gagamitin natin to ng power rule, hindi natin to siya ma-indifferentiate, since ang answer nito kung magamit tayo ng power rule would be undefined. So, the integral of this would be ln, wait, hindi na kumanalo yung marker. ln absolute value of x plus, then huwag kalimutan at c. Then now, we simplify negative 1/2, then u negative 1/2 plus 1 would be positive 1/2 or 1/2. Then here's the denominator would be 1. And so ln x plus x. C plus c. Oh my god. C. And then we will be crossing out this one. Pareho lang sila. So, ang magiging or ang maiwan is the negative sign. So, negative u 1/2 is wait lang. Kailangan natin baka mahalo. 1/2 equals to ln plus, I know, ln absolute value of x plus c. Then, we substitute the value of our u, since here in our substitution, we let the 4 minus y squared is equal to u. So, negative 4 minus y squared 1 equals ln x plus c. So, or, pwede natin siya i-ano square root of 4 minus y squared equals to ln at value of x plus c. So, that is the answer, guys, for our general solution. So, let me write it. Our final answer would be general solution. Yeah, general solution is negative square root of 4 minus y squared is equals to ln absolute value of x plus c. And that's it, guys.
So good afternoon everyone, I am Matt Alian Pascal Padiaco, and I will summarize the whole process of finding the general solution. So once again, our given was dy over dx is equal to the square root of 4 minus y squared all over xy. So we are to find the general solution. So our first step is to separate the y from the x from the x. Separate y from the x. So we multiply both sides by dx and y to cancel out the same variables para separate sila. So our equation now is y dy all over the square root of 4 minus y squared, which is equal to 1 over x dx. So next we integrate. Yes, we integrate. Tapos, because it will take us a longer time if we parang muni-muni and then we nitpick it, we use the substitution. So with this specific part of the equation, square root of 4 is equal to y squared. Yan siya para maging highlight. So we let it become u. So u is equal to 4 minus y squared, and we derive it to get negative 2y dy. And then we divide both sides by negative 2 to get the value of y dy. So now we have our values. We now substitute it. So from the original integral equation of the integral of y dy all over the square root of 4 minus y squared is equal to the integral of 1 over x dx, it will become the integral of negative 1/2 over square root of u du is equal to the integral of 1 over x dx. So now we integrate using the values given, or we use the power rule. So our power rule was, where yung power rules ito siya. Fraction magiging negative, and then it's negative, fraction magiging negative, and then square root will become negative 1/2. So our equation now is negative 1/2 multiplied with the integral of u raised to negative 1/2 du is equal to negative, which is equal to the integral of 1 over x dx. So we integrate it, we substitute these values, and we get the answer of negative square root of 4 minus y squared is equal to ln of the absolute value of x plus c, which is our general solution.